Hello everybody, thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jeff Otis Brown, and I'm going to play a couple original pieces for you. This first one's called Tear Down the Walls. It's an older tune which I wrote about 8 or 10 years ago, and has a little bit of significance again, I think, in today's world, so here it is. Hello there, my friend. It's been a long time. Everything's great. I hope you're doing fine. I'm taking on life with a 6-string in tow. Where I'm headed from here, I really don't know. Just passing through or planning to stay? Can I buy you a drink for now anyway? One for the days when we were fearless and free. Those times were the best, I know you will agree. Raise them high, my brother. Stand tall, sister too. Walk proud, little children. May you tear down the walls and let your love shine on through. What's that you say? You can't find a job. The economy sucks for the average slob. But the fat politicians, well, they got it so grand. They get paid for life and get a medical plan. Raise them high, my brother. Stand tall, sister too. Walk proud, little children. May you tear down the walls and let your love shine on through. Keep what's in front of me 2 steps behind me and hope it works out in the end. Well, there's no sense waiting, life's here for the taking. So just grab a hold, my friend. What can you say? Life wanders along in this crazy ass world that gets a right from 2 wrongs. But nobody tells you to participate in the greed and the lies, or the waste and the hate. Raise them high, my brother. Stand tall, sister too. Walk proud, little children. May you tear down the walls and let your love shine on through. Raise them high, my brother. Stand tall, sister too. Walk proud, little children. your love shine on through. May you tear down the walls and let your love shine on through. All right. This is a Taylor 310, 2000 year. I'm going to switch over to 1996 Martin OM21 here and do a little finger picking tune for you. This song was a rewrite. I originally wrote this song and called it I'll Stand Alone, and at the suggestion of a producer and colleague that I know. I've changed the lyrics a little bit, and now it's called I'll Stand With You. So I'll leave you with this one, and this is a newer tune, so hope you enjoy. I'll stand with you when the night comes calling. I'll stand with you amidst the morning dew. When trouble comes, it's mostly without warning. It's gonna be alright. I'll stand with you. There will be times you'll need someone to lean on, to shine a light down a path that's true. Just take my hand, a hand you can depend on, and we'll find our way. There's nothing we can't do. I'll stand with you when the night comes calling. I'll stand with you amidst the morning dew. When trouble comes, it's mostly without warning. It's gonna be alright. I'll stand with you. It's just a game that we've all been playing, a part of life. There's always something new. The wind will howl and storms may be raging. We gotta work together and we'll all pull through. I'll stand with you when the night comes calling. I'll stand with you amidst the morning dew. When trouble comes, it's mostly without warning. It's gonna be alright. I'll stand with you. It's gonna be alright now. I'll stand with you. Again, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Thank you to Dave Vargo for inviting me to Two for Tuesday, and I hope you enjoyed it. Everybody have a happy and safe New Year. Catch you next time. Thank you.